Yes, when I came into Pharmanex, I was probably the fifth or the sixth employee that was hired into the company. So I almost consider myself to be a founder of the company with Michael. And we both sort of felt that Pharmanex has a great opportunity to bring some quality and some really good science into the dietary supplement industry. Perhaps one can even think of Pharmanex as being a company, the first company to ever apply pharmaceutical grade level of rigor and science to the nutritional supplement industry. So we started with a very basic principle, and that is that when we researched all the nutritional companies in the United States and look at their products, we felt there was something missing. And the one thing that we finally came to what was missing was in fact that science and scientific investigation and development of those products was the one missing ingredient. Now, very much of it is snake oil. There's very little scientific substantiation of the claims that were made with these products. And we felt that with Pharmanex and with our team of scientists, we have a good chance of actually creating some nutritional supplements or dietary supplements that really matters and make a difference to consumers. So that's how that's my perception of Pharmanex when we started way back in 1995-96. We did a lot of science, and one of the things we wanted to do, we wanted to make sure that we have a process in place that really allows us to make premium quality, safe and effective supplements. And all the activities, we sat down one day, to be frank, and we chatted about, gosh, we have done so many things in science, in Pharmanex, how do we capture it in a concept that really means something to a consumer? And being scientists, we were not marketing folks, we felt that perhaps this 6S process will describe this manufacturing rigor and discipline that we have in Pharmanex. The reason why we chose the name was very straightforward and simple. All the activities we managed to discover all started with an S, such as, for example, selecting the right raw ingredient. Another example would be substantiating the claim that we make with a product with scientific data. Safety was a prime concern of ours. We thought that's an equally appropriate S to be included in this 6S process. So we identify 6 activities. They all started with an S, hence we call our manufacturing process, our R&D activities, and then we all include all these things into the so-called 6S process. We are rather proud of this 6S process because we believe we are the pioneers in this field, and 6S process is in fact the good manufacturing practice that the FDA will eventually introduce or will regulate this particular industry. So we are ahead of our time. We're all set to be able to meet any FDA requirements for dietary supplements in the future, and we're already doing it now. We're not waiting until the FDA tells us what to do. The 6S process is a process that we are using as we speak to manufacture and formulate our Pharmanex products.